How's guys, what's going on? So, when trying to draft this next episode of Better Wi-Fi, it dawned on me that I spoke about how to improve your Wi-Fi speeds and how to improve your signal and make it stronger and all of those things, but I never taught you guys how to test it. So, welcome to the next episode of Better Wi-Fi, and today we're talking about how to test your Wi-Fi both in terms of speed and signal. Alright, so for this video, you aren't going to be needing much. The only thing you're going to be needing, and this is simple, is your smartphone, right? We're going to use the smartphone to test our Wi-Fi, and we're actually going to need just two applications, right? So the two applications that we're going to need, the first one is going to be, there we go, is going to be Speed Test by Ookla, if you can say it like that. Speed Test is the most reliable speed testing service that you can do. It has an app for your phone, as well as if you are on desktop, you can use speedtest.net, which is their website, to test via a laptop or a PC or whatever, via Windows basically. So here it'll detect the type of internet connection you're on, whether you're connected to fiber, or like right now I'm on my 4G connection. So if I go test, it's testing between my SIM card and 123 net fiber. It's telling me, okay, I'm getting around 40, 30 megabits per second downloads, and we have a ping of like 21 milliseconds. I think this is telling me, what is this? Yeah, 30, and there we go. So this is one of the most reliable speed tests. So that's like testing your internet connection. The second thing we're going to talk about is going to be a Wi-Fi analyzer, right? And what the Wi-Fi analyzer app shows you, it shows you the Wi-Fi bandwidths that are available in your area, right? And here you can see a time graph, a signal meter. So if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, it'll tell you your signal strength, right? So like right now I'm connecting to Silver Fox, and it's telling me the speed or the signal strength of that network. So if I go channel graph, what channel graph is showing me, it's showing me the Wi-Fi and the channels that they are occupying, right? So what this will allow us to do is, this actually shows us which bandwidths are being consumed, so that we can better make changes to our signal on the Wi-Fi and improve the coverage. But most important is the Wi-Fi or the signal strength analysis, so that you can move around your house and test the signal strength and say, okay, here's a dead spot, I can increase the signal strength and all of those things. There is another Wi-Fi analyzer which is called Net Analyzer. All right, and Net Analyzer basically does the same thing. It'll give you a list of Wi-Fi networks and the signal strength, their MAC addresses and all of those things, which could be used in a harmful way. But as well as it tells you which bandwidth it's on and all of those things. So these sort of two apps work hand in hand, and I also use them hand in hand, and it updates in live like as you move and that sort of thing. So those are the two apps that you will need if you ever have to test your Wi-Fi out for whatever, whether it's speed, whether it's signal strength. Yeah, so yeah guys, you can let me know if this video was helpful by giving a like rating if you did. If you do have any questions or have any suggestions for the Better Wi-Fi series, you can leave a comment down in the comment section below. But guys, as always, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant, and I will catch you in the next video.